Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson we're going to look at the verb partager, which means to share. Partager is a regular ER verb, however it's a subcategory of regular ER verbs. It's a GER verb in the present tense. So GER verbs conjugate just like regular ER verbs, however in the new form you have to add an E before you add the ONS. So these are the regular endings, however it's modified for the GER verbs where you add the E. Okay, and this is done to preserve the je sound when it's conjugated into the new form. Okay, so the verb we're working with is partager, which means to share. So the first thing to do is to remove the ER from the infinitive, and you're left with the root. So here's our root. And all you have to do is add the regular endings to the root, with the exception of the new form. Before you add the regular ending, you'll add an E as well. So I share is je partage. Je partage. You share. Tu partages. Tu partages. He shares, she shares, or one shares. Il, elle, on partage. We share. Now this is where you add the E before the ONS ending. Nous partageons. Nous partageons. We share. You share. Vous partagez. Vous partagez. And finally, they share. Il, elle partage. Okay, so with the verb partager, you share something with someone. So we have some vocabulary here. An apartment. Un appartement. A bottle of wine, une bouteille de vin, a pizza, une pizza. With someone, avec quelqu'un, with my friend, avec mon ami, with my brother, avec mon frère. So let's put it all together. If I want to say I share an apartment with someone, I would say je partage un appartement avec quelqu'un. I share an apartment with my friend. Je partage un appartement avec mon ami. I share an apartment with my brother. Je partage un appartement avec mon frère. I share a bottle of wine. Je partage une bouteille de vin. I share a bottle of wine with someone. Je partage une bouteille de vin avec quelqu'un. I share a bottle of wine with my friend. Je partage une bouteille de vin avec mon ami. I share a bottle of wine with my brother. Je partage une bouteille de vin avec mon frère. I share a pizza. Je partage une pizza. Notice the way the French pronounce the word pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. I share a pizza with someone. Je partage une pizza avec quelqu'un. I share a pizza with my friend. Je partage une pizza avec mon ami. I share a pizza with my brother. Je partage une pizza avec mon frère. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.